Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'm going to show you how we can set up the lock screen. So at the first we have to start to enter the settings, then we have to move smoothly for the lock screen, and here we have to tap on the screen lock type. So currently I set up the pattern, and here we got all of the list of this lock type that we can set up. So I think that we can change for the pin, and here we have to input our 4-digit pin, so let's type. In my case it will be simple 1, 2, 3 and 4. So click continue, input the same code and then just click OK. Okay, we can tap to backup our pin, but of course we have to move for the Samsung account, so I'm going to skip this. I'm going to skip this step, and right now our new lock type is set up, so we can try it. So lock the device, swipe, and here we got our new 4-digit pin. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel. See ya!